Do you want to grow your money without doing any work? Then definitely you will need to know about compound interest. Let me tell you how compound interest grows your investment. Let's say you have 1,000 rupees or $1,000 in your hand every single month and you save it in a piggy bank, and after 10 years you will have around $120,000 or 1,20,000 rupees. So for 30 years you would have around $360,000 or 3,60,000 Indian rupees. What if you put it into a savings bank account which gives you a return of 4%? Let's see how it turns out.
So this is an investment calculator where we can calculate our investment, and I'll put the starting amount as 0 and the total investment is for 10 years, and the rate of return would be around 4%, and the interest will compound annually. You will contribute the amount at beginning of each month. So if we calculate this, you will have around $120,000 invested with the total interest of $27,176.17. Now you can see that you have earned only $27,000 even after keeping it for 10 years. But let's add 5 more years to this game. Now you can see the total invested amount is $180,000 and the return of investment is $65,457. The interest that you have earned in the past 5 years is greater than the interest that you have earned in the first 10 years. And if we take it a step above and we put it into 30 years, you would have around $327,000 in interest. That is, your end balance would be around $687,000, which means you have basically doubled your money and invested only $1,000 every single month. What if we change the rate of return into 12%, which is the average stock market return if you would have invested in an index fund? So immediately you can notice that the end balance has drastically changed into $3,080,000. Yes, I can understand the shock, but this is the magic of compound interest. When you invest in a high interest yielding investments, you would receive a high amount of interest over time, and this is called compound interest. And if you see, within the first 10 years you have made around $100,000 in interest, and within the next 10 years you have made around $700,000 in interest, and finally after 30 years you have made $2,720,000 just in interest due to compounding.
So I hope that you have understood how compound interest can change your life literally. This is the reason you should invest now, not tomorrow.